Mirador House by Cristobal Noguera Abarca Palma in Frutillar, Chile. Single-family house located in the Frutillar commune, X region, situated between lines of trees and livestock hills facing Lake Llanquihue. The project's strategies are based on achieving spatial, economic, and energy efficiency. In relation to this, a compact volume of 140 square meters is proposed, with an almost square floor plan, without circulation, where the rooms are articulated through a central space that contains the living room. This central space composes a continuity with the kitchen and the main living room, open to the outside overlooking the lake and the volcanoes. In the search to maximize the exposure of the facades to the sun, the volume is located with one of its edges to the north, exposing the main facade and the bedrooms to the solar trajectory. A continuous window that surrounds the volume provides light to the interior, as well as capturing the sun in winter. The access predominates on the rear facade with a chiffonera volume in glass and wood, which connects through a deck with the garden house volume. The construction proposal consists of a mixed prefabricated system based on CHILE panels as a thermal envelope, with 160 mm of insulation. This is combined with wooden structures for pillars, diagonals, beams, and window centers. The foundations are composed of a system of isolated elements, which support a structure of wooden beams that receive the CHILE slab. The woods are shown in windows and skylights, combined with a white base for walls and ceilings in the interiors. The exterior cladding of microcorrugated white zinc, with ventilated mounting, provides material continuity on all its facades. In addition, exposed wood elements behind the glazed facades connect the house with the landscape and the views.